Hi, I'm Tim Franke, Midwest Territory Manager at FrontRow. I'm here in conjunction with Tierney to show some of FrontRow's new and innovative classroom audio solutions. If your students can't hear what the teacher is instructing, your class is already over before it starts. So I'm here to talk about a solution called the FrontRow Juno. It's an all-in-one classroom audio solution. It works both as media and voice amplification system. It's a freestanding unit that can be used anywhere in the classroom or can be easily mounted with the VESA mount on the back. Sound quality begins and ends with microphones and speakers. That's where FrontRow sets ourselves apart from the competition. FrontRow Juno offers sound diffusion technology. If you've ever been to a concert, you'll see that the speakers are hung vertically, not horizontally. This has to do with what's called line array. Line array offers quality sound over larger distances, reduces echo, and allows our system to provide a 25% greater volume over flat panel and conventional speakers. The Juno offers feedback suppression. We call it Adapto. This allows teachers to mount the Juno anywhere in the classroom and not worry about getting too close to get that feedback squeal. We have built-in technology that scans the microphone 375 times a second to reduce feedback. The Juno offers many ways to connect devices. We have 3 audio in RCA support, we have an audio out, and then we also offer a Bluetooth for a wireless connection of all your devices. So if you want to connect your Chromebooks, your iPads, iPhones wirelessly, it gives you a lot of flexibility in your classroom to connect those devices. If you already have a current Juno without the Bluetooth, this can be added at any point in time. Simply order the Bluetooth module, unscrew the back, and install it. We also offer different modules, including a Connect module, which connects our IP-based intercom paging bell and emergency system, and the Juno now acts as a speaker and intercom system for that IP solution. We have a COM port and to allow for RS-232, allows to connect projectors and interactive panels for voice commands. We can actually turn on and off your devices through our microphone using voice commands. The FrontRow Juno ships with the wireless microphone. FrontRow is built around simplicity. Our microphone has a single button to turn it on or off by simply hitting it and it engages. I can pause it by simply pushing the button. And I also have the ability to create triggers, a panic trigger, or to do voice commands. The Juno also offers an optional handheld microphone for students' interactivity. Teachers love to be able to use the handheld mic to pass around for students for additional engagement. Works the same way. We simply turn it on or off, very easy for the students to use. There is an optional charging unit that can be used to charge both microphones at any point in time. Simply drop them in the unit, and within 4 hours your batteries are completely charged. FrontRow also offers an option called Lesson Capture. Lesson Capture is a great tool for teachers. They love the simplicity and the ease of use. What it does is we simply can hold the button down, say begin. It starts to capture my lesson in an MP4 file format. When I say finish, it automatically uploads to wherever you've directed to, Schoology, Google Classroom, or even on your desktop. If you're interested in having a demo or getting additional information, please reach out to your Tierney account executive. They'll gladly help you.